Sin querer. Sin querer. Sin querer means not on purpose or accidentally. Sin means without or with no. For example, sin hielo, with no ice. Sin ti, without you. Okay? So sin means without or with no. Querer, this is a verb and it means to want. But in this situation, we do not need to conjugate this verb in this phrase. Sin querer together, those two words together mean not on purpose or accidentally. So let's look at some examples using this phrase. Me llevé tus llaves sin querer. Me llevé tus llaves sin querer. This means I took your keys accidentally or not on purpose. Okay, so let's break this down. Yo me llevé. That means I took. We don't need yo, but we can say me llevé, and that means I took. Okay, we have a reflexive pronoun here, and also the verb llevar, which means to take. Okay, to take something. It's similar to tomar. The difference here is llevar is like you're taking something to a place. Okay, you're taking it to a place. You're with the object or whatever you're taking with you to a place somewhere. Okay, so me llevé, I took. Tus means your. Llaves, keys. Sin querer, accidentally. Okay, or not on purpose. It happens. Probably you made a mistake. So when you make mistakes, this phrase here is very useful to just say, hey, sorry, I didn't do it on purpose. Excellent. Now let's look at the next example. Discúlpame, lo hice sin querer. Discúlpame, lo hice sin querer. This means I'm sorry or forgive me. I didn't do it on purpose. This is very interesting. Discúlpame means forgive me. That's the literal translation. But it also, this is similar to saying I'm sorry as well. So disculpar, this first part, disculpa, that comes from the verb disculpar, which means, to forgive. And also, we have me, the reflexive pronoun me, and that means me. Okay, discúlpame, one word, forgive me. Okay, lo hice, lo means it. Okay, it means other things, but one of its meanings is it. Hice means I did do something. Okay, in this situation, it is in English, this is negative. In Spanish is positive, because you are saying, you're using this phrase that means that you did it not on purpose. Okay, so technically the literal translation is I did it not on purpose, but it's similar to saying I didn't do it on purpose. Okay, so let's keep that in mind. So sin querer is a very good phrase that it means that you did something not on purpose or accidentally. So the good thing is that you don't have to conjugate the verb querer. You just have to add the phrase wherever you needed to, and that is it. Me llevé tus llaves sin querer. Discúlpame, lo hice sin querer. Okay? You can also say sin querer at the beginning of a sentence. So you can say sin querer me llevé tus llaves, or sin querer. Well, this situation, it doesn't work, but you can say in this situation here, you can say sin querer me llevé tus llaves. Okay? In this situation, it doesn't work. You cannot say sin querer lo hice. It doesn't work. But if you have a positive sentence here, quite long as well, here, me llevé tus llaves, you can easily put sin querer right here. Okay? For example, let me give you another example. Me comí tu pastel sin querer. I ate your cake accidentally, okay? Or not on purpose. That could happen. That can happen, I guess. Me, or you can also say, for example, te toqué sin querer. If you kind of touch someone accidentally, while walking by, well, you can say that, te toqué sin querer. I touched you accidentally, so I'm sorry, or I bumped you by accident, so I'm sorry. So it's a very flexible phrase. You can also, by the way, you can say, me comí sin querer, me comí tu pastel. That's what I wanted to do at the beginning. There you go. Sin querer, me comí, sorry, me comí tu pastel. So you're saying the same thing. I accidentally ate your cake. That's what you're saying here. Okay? So that can be done. In this particular situation, it doesn't work. But usually it works, okay? Usually it works just like that as well. You can place this at the beginning or at the end. Excellent. Okay. Okay, very good.